Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking beef and chicken pochero. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have onions, garlic, tomatoes, Chinese sausage, green beans, sweet potato. You can use also just potato, but this is the sweet ones. We have cabbage, and also we're going to be using beef ribs, short ribs, which we cooked already earlier, so this is tender already. We're gonna use chicken thighs, which we fried. It's golden brown now. We have plantain banana. We got pechay, or you can use also bochoy if you want to. We have chickpeas or garbanzos. You can also use pork and beans as an alternate for chickpeas. We got tomato sauce, salt and pepper, fish sauce, and olive oil. We're gonna use also a little of water when we cook this. So let's get started. In our pan here, we put oil already. So we're trying to make this a little bit hot. And we're gonna start putting the ingredients. The pan is hot already, as well as the oil. So let's put our onions. We're using red onions here. Okay. Let's cook this for a minute. Now let's add our garlic. Wait for another minute. Time to add our Chinese sausage. Let's cook this for the next 2 minutes. Now let's add our tomatoes. Let's saute this for the next, I should say, 2 more minutes. We'll cover it. Now let's add a little of fish sauce. Okay. Cover it again. Now let's check our veggie or the tomatoes. And this is cooked already. So this is the right time to put our beef, which we boiled it already a while ago. So this is already soft. And this won't take that long to cook it. Okay, and then at the same time we will put also the chicken that we fried earlier. Okay, all right, it's beautiful, huh? Okay, there you go. And then we're gonna add our tomato sauce. There you go. Wow, it's beautiful. And then we're gonna give it a good stir. So the ingredients will will be mixed together. Okay. There we go. We will add a little of beef broth. We'll add just a cup of beef broth. There you go. And then we'll give it a good stir. Okay. There you go. And then we'll add some black pepper. All right. And we're gonna have this simmer for the next 5 minutes. Let's check the chicken and the beef. This time we're gonna put our sweet potato. Like I told you earlier, you can use also just plain potato, but this time for Pochero, it's nice to use sweet potato. There you go. So I'll cover this and have the simmer for the next 5 minutes. Now this time we'll add our chickpeas or garbanzos. We'll just put a cup of garbanzos. It's beautiful, isn't it? Okay. Cover it again. Now let's check our Pochero. Oh, smells very good. So we will add our plantain banana. Okay. There you go. Then we will still wait for the sweet potato to get tender because it's still half cooked. So let's give it a stir. Wow. It's yummy. Ooh. Okay. All right. We'll cover it again. We put our green beans there, then we'll cover it again. Now we're gonna put the cabbage. All right. Okay. That's good enough. We'll cover it, simmer it for the next 2 minutes. Now we're gonna add our pechay or bochoy. So this is the last one. Okay, this will only take a minute and it's done after a minute. Here's the finished product: beef and chicken pochero. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.